Hi, I am Sandra, and for our next activity is we will be displaying the basic information using PHP that will display our name, program, and school name. So first, what is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language used to create dynamic websites and web applications. It is free, integrates well with databases, and works across different platforms. Developers write PHP code using editors like Notepad and Visual Studio Code, which are ideal for beginners and quick edits. Visual Studio Code offers advanced features like smart suggestion and integrated debugging, and powerful PHP extension like IntelliFence, making it perfect for complex or large-scale development projects. Combining PHP with disk editors allow developers to write, manage, and run scripts that brings website to life through real-time interaction and databases connectivities. Okay. So now we will open our Notepad++ and type this code where it displays our basic information like name, program, and then school name. Okay, which you will see sa screen. Okay, next we will open our file manager and find the SAMP folder, and we will open it. Then go to the htdocs folder and create a new folder. Okay, once we're done, we will go back sa Notepad++ and then save the file in the folder we created, name the file index.php, and set the file type to PHP Hypertext preprocessor file, then click save. Okay. Let's open our SAMP app and click the Start button for the Apache and MySQL. Click the Start button. Click that too. Okay. Next, we will open a new tab and search for localhost /ack/. Okay. And yeah, here's our final output, which display our name, program, and school name. As you can see, I have my name here, Sandra May M. Corsame. My program, BSIT-AIT, and then my school name. Thank you for watching.